Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and this time I'm going to try and keep my head out. My camera was adjusted wrong, and I have glasses. I do, right here. That is a 8x12 canvas, and I want to experiment with some things. And I could add a layer of wet paint to the background of this, but I think I want to try it first without it. And I am going to do the simplest things possible that I can force myself to do, and see how far I can get myself to go with that plan. As long as I can get paint to come out. Oh, cool, it opened. That's nice. And use colors that I like. Let's see, what else do I want up at the top there? Maybe some white. I like the Anita's metallic white just because it makes, it's very see-through, and it doesn't swallow things like the regular white does. So as you can see, I'm just putting down a puddle. I'm not going anywhere near my edges. I'm adding stripes of whatever I'm inclined to add. That's a bronze from Sargent's. The green is a color shift from Folk Art. The black is any number of things, probably in Anita's black, metallic. And yeah, I did. I probably went overboard. Oh well, never mind. Whatever colors I want to add, I can add afterwards. But right now I'm just using colors that I like. And I was thinking about putting a shovelful in and I forgot. So this time I'm just going to use whatever comes to hand. See, if I like that edge catcher too much, I don't want to give it up. Actually, I can just start by covering as much of that as possible. Push it back over. My head is constantly in that camera today. I have no idea what the deal is. I've figured out that I can turn around my edge catcher and line it up with the same colors on the other side if I'm smart. Which I evidently have not been as smart as I wanted to be. So I just noticed my camera strap is also being an issue today. So I can take all of those colors right off and leave them on my edge catcher. Which is what I'm going to do. Turn that around for me. And try and save those colors if they don't, let me get that out of there. If they're not a problem. So I just washed some OXO omelet turning spatulas, and I think I want to take some of that paint right from the middle and put it right at the bottom and utilize those stripes fully. And if I want to, I can use an edge catcher along the bottom and push that paint back up again. I think what I want to do is use as much of that edge catcher paint as possible in with the stripes to create some interest. Not done with my sky. Let's see what else I got here. I've used almost all of it. I'm very happy with myself for doing that. I don't have to use a lot. I can drag across with my spatula for some integration. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint colors, and that means that I can leave the paint heavy and it won't crack while it's drying, and that might be really important right now. If I want another color in that sky, and I kind of do, I think I'm going to give myself an opportunity right now to use that magenta and then put the rest of this. Oh, there's green in there. I don't want that green in there. I don't want green in my sky. But I don't mind everything else. And then I'm just going to run that along the top. And what else am I going to do? This is going to be quick. So I'm going to say, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Playing with an 8x10 canvas, and it's really fast. Maybe this one I'll practice putting a tree in. I was going to do all kinds of stuff to this, like use my basting brush and experiment, but you know, it comes right down to it, and my brain goes, but you like that. Don't mess with it. You can always do another. Well, I can almost do another if I don't run out of canvases, which I'm in the process of doing pretty quick here. So, what have I got on for my edges that I need? I got one fingerful that I need over here, and a couple across my bottom. And if I wipe off my spatula, which is against my religion, I'm going to put that right in that shovel in case I get an opportunity to use it. Wipe it off on my paint skirt, and I'm going to pick up some paint with my spatula, and everything else is actually pretty well covered, which means I'm going to use my torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I kind of want something else in that sky, I want a little change in that sky, so what I'm going to do is blow down into it, and now I've got a cloud because I used that Anita's white metallic in it. Where did that come from? I have no idea. I'm trying so hard to keep my head out of the camera. I'm feeling like I'm failing miserably. So I like that. But the more purple I expose, the happier I am. And I think what I really like is to put in another hard line at the horizon line, even if it dribbles out. I want cleaner, cleaner skewers. Roll it this way and that. Keep your paint bottles out of your turntable way. So I don't mind any of that. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can smooth out that one line. I'm not unhappy with any of that. I like this little stripe down here. I really want to blow into this. And I wasn't sure what I get. But if I do it twice, I will mix the paints and create a new layer. You sort of have to teach yourself how to do this over time. But if I already had some nice cells from that Prussian blue, and I did, chances are good I will again. And I have uncovered a few more colors. I really like this. And I keep telling people I'm going to put a tree in something, and then I lie. I like adding the layers of different textures so much. And my paint is falling over my sides just perfectly. And I am going to call this one good right as it is. It might be stage 1, it might be done. If I need some more paint, it's usually right on my tile. And I have right here cottage cheese lids. Keep it from sticking to the table, to the tile. And I will show that to you guys. Hopefully that's all in frame, and tell you what I'm going to tell you, which is please watch the videos longer if you want to help my channel stay alive on YouTube. If you are interested in helping me buy art supplies, and I really could use some help right now doing that, please by all means look at the Amazon link underneath, show more underneath the video, to do a little shopping at no added cost to you, or join the monthly drawing, which is a $10 minimum donation, but you'll have a choice if you're the drawing winner of 3 of the 15 paintings. That's cool. Yes, I like it. Ah! I know, it's hard to trust myself to leave well enough alone. especially when I get so lucky so often. So that was a ball. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for all the contributions that I kept repainting in the past. Thank you for all the great comments. Know that I torch to release the bubbles in the paint, and also I can release patterns in the paint. I love you guys. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me to keep my morale boosted while things are weird. And there's almost 86,000 subscribers, but it would be really nice if that last 90 people would make it official or something. In any case, you guys inspire the heck out of me. If you want to be of assistance, there's all kinds of ways to do it. And Teespring clothing below the video have my designs on it, and there's some really cool all over print t-shirts and all over print leggings and a lot of other stuff there that will help me out. And also Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More has my Fine Art America posts since 2013, and there's a lot of those, like 1,200. Hey, that's almost the same number as my videos. And you can find my videos. I should not stick anything in here after I torch, but okay. On my channel, go to playlists, find created playlists, and you can find 10 populated by 100 in each, 1 being populated, and 13 genres at least. So I love you guys. If you're looking for a place to donate, look for the PayPal or Patreon icon underneath the video or on the channel header, and find the prizes to see on the exhibition video that's shown on the end screens of every video. I love you guys. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I'm sure I forgot to tell you something. Oh, check out Facebook Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, where you can almost always see tomorrow's video, that or on my channel on YouTube on the community board. Take care, you guys. Binge watch some videos for me, would you? Thank you very much for the thumbs up. I appreciate your remembering. And always watch longer if you can, because it's the only thing that works. And that was nice, but I want to keep doing it. I want to do them with basting brushes and chains and shovelfuls. And so there's going to be another one of these in a minute. Bye for now. Priscilla out.